Okay, welcome to this live webinar. I hope everybody is ready to gain a lot of knowledge because trust me, this webinar is going to show you the in depth secret on how you're going to be able to be financially free. You're going to make yourself, your family, everybody in your family financially free. Trust me. So, you don't want to joke with this webinar. So, get your pen and paper, and I hope you're ready to receive some quality information. Let's move on. So, intro. Have you been looking for a legitimate way to make money on a regular basis without having to worry about bills and live the comfortable lifestyle you have envisioned for yourself? If yes, then I have good news for you. If you're one of those people, because trust me, I've been there before, you get trying to look for something in a country where things are not just going the way it's supposed to go. You get what I'm trying to say? Just trying to look for money to be able to stay afloat is a big problem. You get, and trying to look for a way to get legitimate money itself is another big problem. But trust me, this solution is for you. Just keep on watching this webinar, and trust me, by the end of this webinar you're going to discover a beautiful way that I'm going to show you for free on how you can start making at least $400 monthly from the forex market without even knowing how to learn how to trade. Do you get what I'm trying to say? You don't need to know how to learn how to trade to be able to make money from this model I'm about to show you. Do you get what I'm trying to say? You're going to make money from the forex market, but you don't need to know how to trade. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So, would you like to know how I can help you for free? Because this offer that I'm giving it to you is for free. I'm not going to charge you any money. Do you get what I'm trying to say? But let's just keep on going. I'll tell you why very soon. So these are some testimonial of some of my students for you to know that I'm not even capping. Do you get? This is a beautiful student of mine. He withdrew $12,000. Right now, $1,000, 1,000 naira is equals to $1. So 12,000 US dollar is going to be how much? That's literally 12 million naira. Do the maths. You get what I'm trying to say? This is another one of my students. Same thing, $12,000. This is another one of my students. See him. He withdrew a total sum of 570,000 naira plus. Do you get what I'm trying to say? This is another one of my students. He said, got my first payout last week, expecting first payouts from the other account on Saturday. Lord, I've also started a 1K personal account. Make withdrawal choke me. You get what I'm trying to say? Started a 1K personal account. 1K dollars right now is 1 million naira. These same people took the same advantage of what I'm trying to show you for free. You get, they didn't pay any money to me to same for free. Imagine joining a training that's going to show you how to be able to make this type of money, and it's free. They are not charging you any money for it. It's done on a silver platter. You get. So let's move on. Who am I? My name is Odetunde Abimbola. I'm a forex trader, a data analyst, and a founder. I've been doing forex for the past 5 years now, and I can tell you that, trust me, the market is not anytime any the market is not going to end anytime soon. You get what I'm trying to say? I'm also a data analyst. So what I'm trying to say is that me telling you that the market is not going to end anytime soon is also backed by data. You get what I'm trying to say? Because there's survey that I've done to be able to depict that every year forex makes a total transaction of $6.6 million. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Every year. You get what I'm trying to say? So you can get your own piece of that pie. That's why I founded the company, which I'm going to show you, King FX Sniper. So what is King FX Snipers? King FX Snipers is more than a name. It's your pathway to financial success. We're a company that provides personalized mentorship, free signals, and expert strategies to help newbie and veteran forex traders grow their money. Let us guide you to achieve your financial goals and make your dreams a reality. Do you get what I'm trying to say? We are helping you to build your capital. Do you get what I'm trying to say? We are doing this to you for free. You get all these things, trust me, you don't want to sleep on it. We are going to help you. We are going to give you personal mentorship. We are going to give you free signals and expert strategies for free to help you be able to grow your capital and make money. This is the same type of business model that all those big boys on Twitter that are saying. This is the same thing they are doing to make money. They are not doing anything different. You get. So it's better you jump in now or you jump out. You get. So King FX Sniper has created this simple copy and paste system that works like magic. All you need is an internet connection, trading capital, and a smartphone. You get, because we understand that a lot of people want to make money, but you don't really want to spend time making money. You get, because time is money. You get, you want to make money and forget about it. So this simple copy and paste strategy will help you to make that type of money in a short period of time. All you need is an internet connection, trading capital, and a smartphone. You get. So what is forex? For those of you that don't know about forex, do you get? Forex trading, also known as the foreign exchange or FX trading, is the conversion of one currency into another. Do you get? Like all these your malams that are seeing this thing, but our own is a higher level. You get? We're not changing $10, we're changing $1,000, $2,000. You get big money. You feel me? FX is one of the most actively traded markets in the world, with individual companies and banks carrying out around $6.3 trillion worth of transactions every single day. So I'm trying to say. So it's backed by knowledge, data analysis. Trust me. $6.6 trillion worth of forex transaction every single day. It's not even a million, like I said before. It's trillion. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, you can easily get your own piece of the pie. Just follow what we're trying to show you now. See, and what I'm trying to tell you is going to change your life. Trust me. You get, just follow on. You feel me? So how to make money with us? With our copy and paste system, you don't need to understand how to analyze the forex market. You get, like I said, nobody wants to really sit down and start learning about forex, because I know that this is not the first time some of you are hearing about it. You get. So with our copy and paste system, you don't need to learn how to analyze forex. Our reputable and reliable forex traders will be providing you with profitable trading signals daily, Monday to Friday. It will take you less than a minute to copy and paste these orders in your trading account. You get. If you join our team for free, we are going to be providing you with free signals that are going to be making you money from Monday to Friday. You get. So you can even set, because me self, I even set it sometimes. If I say that every week I don't want to make anything less than $20,000, you get. And by the end of that week, trust me, I'm on fire. You get what I'm trying to say? So if you jump on this platform too, you are going to be on the same level. There's no mathematics to it. You feel me? These are more testimonials of some of my students. This guy, his name is Enoch. You see, he just made 24 million naira. You get what I'm trying to say? He just made 24 million naira from our trades. Copy and paste, same thing. You get, you don't need to know anything about forex. You just need to know how to copy and paste our trades. And we'll also teach you this thing once you join our team. You get, see this guy. He took a $52 account to $120. Can you just imagine? This guy, he made a withdrawal of 6.7 million naira. You get what I'm trying to say? See this guy, he made another withdrawal of $15,000. Yeah, my boys, they don't make small money. You get, and these same boys, they took the same offer. This took the same offer like that I presented right now. This free chance to get into my mentorship. You get, because it doesn't come every time. It just comes once in a while. So you really just want to hop on this opportunity. Trust me, you really want to. So how to get our offer? Step one: after you have finished watching this webinar, send done to create a standard account using our partner broker and specifications, complete verification, and deposit a minimum of $35 as your trading capital. So basically, after you're done watching this webinar, you just need to send done. So we'll send you a specialized link. This specialized link is what you're going to use to create your standard trading account. Do you get? Once you get the specified link, this specified link is going to help us to be able to monitor your account. Do you get? So when we send you the specified link, when you create your account with that specified link, we can monitor your accounts from our own end, so we can make sure that you are making profit with our signals. Do you get? So once you have completed your verification, I have deposited your minimum of $35, and this minimum of $35 normally is even supposed to be $100. So if you get, but right now we are doing a discount for some of our customers, because we understand that a lot of Nigerians don't really have a lot of money like that. Do you get? This trading capital, you're not sending it to us, so don't get it twisted. This $35 is not our money or anything like that. You get? It's the money that you're going to be using to trade, because you know in forex you have to have trading capital. There has to be money that you're going to use to exchange for another currency. You get? This $35 is something that can easily help you flip to $500 before the end of the week itself. You get? So just keep in mind that this $35 is your own money that you're going to be using to exchange using our own signals. We're not collecting the money from you. Do you get? You're going to be putting it in your own trading capital, trading account. You get? And once you have created the trading account with our link, trust me, you cannot lose. Do you get? There's no how. It's not possible. Do you get? Because from our end, we can monitor your account and make sure that you're not going to lose. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Because our signals are signals that we have vetted. Like I said, by professionals are sending those signals. Do you get? High level professionals like Jeffrey Benson, Happy FX. You feel me? So trust me when I tell you that these signals are high quality signals. You feel me? So you can be guaranteed on getting your profits in no time. Trust me. Do you get? So get access once you have done yeah, once you're done with step one, you get access to our mentorship program, free training course, premium signal group and strategy so you can start making money from it as fast as possible. You know what I'm trying to say? Like I said, when you create your link with our signal, you get our mentorship. Meaning we are able to monitor your account. You get because that's very important. Because that's what used to make some forex traders lose sometimes. You get when they will not know what they are doing. Then when I say this thing, you get. But trust me, when you create follow these steps that we're going to show you, create your account with us, create it using these specifications that we'll send to you when it's sent done. Do you get? Because we're also going to send you some extra specifications that are going to use to create those accounts with the link we provided. You get? So once you do all those things, you're going to guarantee to make your money. Trust me. You get our mentorship, you get free forex training. Because even if you don't want to even learn self, we offer you free forex training. Do you get? So you also have the chance to also learn, like become a boss like us too. You get? And you also get our premium signals, like I said, copy and paste system. Copy and paste. It's not going to take you more than 10 minutes. You just copy and paste and make your money. And also extra strategies so you can start making money as fast as possible. Do you get? So we can also teach you extra strategies on how to make extra income for yourself with Forex. You get? So this free training that we're offering you is, trust me, this free package we're offering you, because it's not even a training, it's a mentorship program. You get? Trust me, you don't want to miss it. How much will it cost you? Normally, we charge $200 for this service, but we are offering it to you for free. Like I said, it's free. Do you get? We will not charge you at all. You only have to follow what we show you, and you make money easily without too much stress. Like I said, it's very simple. This is the same thing the big boys on Twitter that are saying that are balling, sending girls 250K for weeks. Do you get? Going on holiday to Maldives and stuff. This is what they are doing. You get? This is the same exact copy and paste system they are doing. That's why it looks like they're just printing money from the sky, and we are here to help you do that. Do you get? So why are we doing this? We are driven by a passion to empower individuals in securing their financial future. Our mission is to share expertise and resources to make a positive impact on your life and help you succeed in the forex market. Do you get? So basically, we are just doing this because every year we do a program where we take in a specific amount of students for free. Do you get? Because we understand that a lot of Nigerians don't have money to be able to get on board on, because a lot of these things they tell you pay money, pay money, pay money. Do you get? Pay money. A lot of Nigerians don't really have like that type of capital. When you are still trying to find capital to start your business, you still want to pay to learn something. Do you get? We understand that it's very stressful. You get? So every year we take in a specific amount of students that will just help to empower them so that they can also go out to empower others. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So right now, the only available slot is 20 slots available. So if you take action now this evening, you get these 20 slots awarded to you. This you get one of these 20 slots awarded to you, which is you take action by step one, messaging us with done, getting your unique link to create your standard trading account, verification and deposit your trading capital. Do you get? Then you get access to our training. That's all. So we just have 20 slots for this program. You get? So the first person to take those take action on this is also going to get a free bonus on how we are going to show you how you'll be able to use our trading signals to get big international customers, investors who will invest between $5,000 to $400,000 of their own money for you to trade with on behalf of them. Do you get? On their behalf, and they will pay you. Do you get? So for the first 20 people to take action this evening, you also get access to this my training, where I will show you how you use our trading signals and the stuff that we are provided to be able to get fast clients, international investors. You know what they talk about, international investors, people that are willing to invest $20,000, $400,000, $5,000 on your head for you to trade with their own money from their pocket. Do you get? So I'll teach you how to do this if you are one of those 20 lucky people to take action now. So message me with done now after watching this webinar so I can add you to my signal group for free. Do you get? It's free. You're not going to pay any money to me. It's free. You get? The 20 slots are available to just 20 people. You get? So message me and I'll see you in my signal group. Thank you.